All right, hey there, viewers. So I got a 2019 Honda Pilot 6-speed. This customer's complaining about a noise. Have you ever heard a wheel bearing noise before? But it sounds like my description of this noise is, it sounds like a wheel bearing noise, but you're not moving. So I don't know. I have my mic here. I don't know if I can get it inside the car, but when you go underneath the hood, you can't hear it. It's only inside the car. And when you're idling here, it's like a roar, like it sounds like a wheel bearing noise, but you're not going anywhere. It's like, I don't know if I can get it. Like, can you hear it? I'm gonna do my best to get the sound. Can you close the door? But yeah, I don't know. Here, close the door. Let's do that. It's like a like it's like a bad wheel bearing. You can't hear it underneath the hood, and when you give it a little bit of a rev, it makes it even louder. I wonder if that can get that on the. Wonder if that went on the mic. But anyways, it's just a bad high pressure fuel pump. It's right up against the firewall. You can't hear it underneath the hood, only inside the car. It's like a vibrate, like it's like vibrating. Yeah. Anyways, quick video.
She's purring.
Yeah, she's purring. Like, that's the noise. Let me watch my video, see if I got the noise on the mic from inside the car. Okay, let's see if I can show you. I'll show you how we found out where that noise is coming from and with what tool. So we're underneath the hood. I have my, oh, I didn't even turn on the mic. I'll turn on the mic first. Okay, the mic is on. So I'm gonna stick my mic around here. I don't know if you can hear it, but we can't hear it underneath the hood. The only way we found where this noise is coming from is using a stethoscope. And then what we did was, when you go under here, you follow that steel line. See how I can, I'm gonna get Marvin to rev it up. Hold on. So let me show you what we do. We use the stethoscope, which is this guy right here, and then we just touch it onto the high pressure fuel pump that's down here. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it, but follow the vibrating plastic line or fuel line to the metal line that goes down to there. So you just touch your stethoscope right on the high pressure fuel pump, and you can hear the exact same noise from what you hear underneath the cabin. But Marvin's inside the car right now. He's gonna rev it up, see if it will make that noise on my mic here. Maybe you'll hear it. Yeah, I don't know if I can get it. Yeah. So can't really hear it. It's like everything sounds normal underneath. Yeah, I gotta look at my video, see if I can hear it on the mic. But you can definitely hear it from inside. So, yeah. Anyways. Same rumble. Same rumble? Yeah. So this is what Marvin does. You hear it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I need somebody to rev it up.
Rev it up. Yeah, there. Right there. Right when you dip into the throttle just slightly, and it makes like a. Yeah. So, anyways, this thing only has 80,000 kilometers. And if you think it's just because of that line vibrating against the firewall or something, it's not. I took it off. You can see how the line kind of vibrates like that. You can see, but. Yeah, we isolated that, and the noise is still there, so it's not that line vibrating. I just reviewed my video, and I think I got it pretty good. But that's the noise. So this thing just needs a high pressure fuel pump. We've got a couple of these with the same complaint, with like this noise, and it's just a high pressure fuel pump. So anyways, if anybody are having an issue with this kind of noise in their Honda Pilot with the 3.5 liter V6 with the Earthstream direct injected, and you hear this noise, but you can't hear it underneath the hood because it's like it's loud inside. It's like the inside of it, something's vibrating, but that's just a high pressure fuel pump. And yeah, I hope this video helps you guys and figure out what that noise is, because it did take us a while to figure out what that noise is because we can't hear it underneath the hood. It's only inside the car, but yeah, we just replaced the high pressure fuel pump and then the noise goes away. So anyways, quick video just to help you guys with this motor with the Pilot. Haven't seen it on a Ridgeline yet. No, wait, we did. I think we have. Yeah, Shop Foreman had a Ridgeline. Yeah, anyways, with this motor anyways. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Camshaft? Hold on, let me camshaft looks good. Yeah, it looks pretty smooth. Yeah. So this one is the high pressure fuel pump noise that you can hear from the inside, and you can't.
Roller looks good.
Yeah, roller's fine.
Okay.
So
it's snoring.
Yep.
All good.
It's just a high pressure fuel pump. Okay, back to this.